Hello. Guys, I'm going to convert this cover letter into customized cover letter within few clicks. Hi everyone, my name is Het Shah. Welcome back to my channel, Hacks in Your Hands. Guys, so we all know like how much efforts do we put in just to create a customized cover letter for each and every job application. We have to edit the recruiter's name, we have to edit the company's name, and like we have to make some changes into some skills and everything. You know how much time does it take? Like right, at least 2 minutes, at least 2 minutes to just to make a single cover letter. So guys, that's what we are going to automate using Python. In this video, I'm going to write a script and which will just convert this cover letter using some command line arguments. Let's just get started. So uh, first step, like this is the cover letter which I just found somewhere on the internet, and you have to just convert this cover letter into some like variables. I will show you how to do that. So guys, on the screen you can see I have just like the left one is the one which I showed you, and on the right hand side I just converted this parameters, uh, like for example May 1 2018 I have just converted into today's date. For example, if you are applying today, we will give the today's date, right? Random company, I mean, I've just kept the name as company name. Same goes with address first line, address second line, and the most important thing, position name. Here it is software engineer. I've just given the variable name as position name and company name. So quite simple. I will just zoom a little bit. So like you can change to any of the variables if you want. Like if you want to change some skills, you can do it. If you want to put some vision and mission of the company, you can do it just by using this parenthesis. As simple as that, right? But just note this variables. So guys, I've just kept these things here, and I'm going to uh, open VS Code. So for that, I opened CMD just to open the folder from here. Code dot. We are gonna write a Python script for this, and I will just create a file cl converter dot py. Okay. So I've created a Python file. I will just write hello world. So just to make sure it's working fine or not. Yep, it's working. I'll just zoom a little bit. Okay, perfect. So first of all, we are going to import some modules. So those are the most important stuff of the program. The module which we are going to use is docs at docxtpl, and I will show you how to use those methods afterwards. Uh, Now, we want to take some inputs from the user using input method of Python. So that I will just put those lines here. Like company name I will ask like enter the company name, enter the position, enter the first line of address. So whatever the like here, whatever the positions, I mean whatever the variables you have defined here on the cover letter, you can just define and ask as an input, right? One more thing is missing, today's date. So today's date, I will just use date time uh, module for that, and here is that. So if you just Google it, like I want the format like October 11th 2022, something like that. So that's why I just kept like percentage B D and capital Y. So if you just Google it about this method, you will find different format options. You can keep it whatever you want. I just wanted like American format, so I kept it like that. And one thing, like I want to just put this thing into one object. I'm just giving the name as context, and yep. So all those parameters, I've just kept it here in the context object. So now we have to open our template, right? Like we're just opening our template, and how we can do that? We will use now this method. I mean the class docx template class. Maybe uh, they have made some constructor inside of them, so we have just passed this cover letter docx. So this one, like we will pass this cover letter path inside of that, and we are just storing it into doc variable. Now we are just gonna load this doc. So doc dot render, and that would be context. Okay, so what we did, like we just told that render this document with all these parameters: today's date, company name, position name, and address. And simply we are just saving this file using doc.save method, and I'm putting the name like cover letter and plus company name, position name, and docx. As simple. It's so guys, just few lines of code and very easy. Now let's just try this out. Okay, now I have kept it here. I mean, I will open the CMD here. It's clconverter.py. So I will just write Python clconverter.py. Okay. I will just do a full screen. Yeah. Okay. So now they are going to ask me. They are asking me the company name. So just I'm putting some random, like for example, IBM. Or what's the position? So I'm putting the position as software engineer. Okay. The first line of address. So that's also I'm just putting some random, like 1234 Duke Street. Second line, I'm just putting like Halifax, Nova Scotia, and with the pin code. Okay, that's it. I think we should get, yeah, here it is. Cover letter IBM software engineer. So it's all edited what we have decided into. I will show you like what were the, yeah. So everything got updated, like today's date came up, company name, first line address, second line of address, position name, everything just replaced those stuff with the command line. We can take one more example if you want. Like for example, I will run again this file. Okay, I will just put the some random inputs again. This one I'm just putting like data engineer. 3456 Robbie Street. Second line New York, NY 18009, for example, like that. Okay, that's it. And we can see that's also edited so perfectly. So guys, it saved our lots of efforts. I mean, just to edit a cover letter, I know we all know like how much time does it take, but using this Python script, we have done lots of changes. Now talking about the some advancement of this code, like rather than taking the inputs from the input, we can just get these values from a Google Sheet like CSV data, and we can read that data through Python. I'm sorry, through pandas. So like I will make one CSV. I will put this column names as company name, position name, and I can put all the data inside the Excel sheet, and I can just run the pandas data frame, and I can get the input from there. Also, you can make a React.js application and Flask in the backend if you want. So just to make some more user friendly. And yeah, regarding this context object, like you can use, I've just listed down some of the more fields, like you can put position name, recruiter name. Recruiter name you can put logic like if there is no recruiter name, then you can just write like dear hiring manager. Uh, Team area, like if they are working on cloud, data science or something like that. Company vision, mission, goal, and dream. Required skills you can just write like, for example, React JS, Angular JS, Python, Java. Those you can also ask here as an input and tagline. So this will definitely make impact in the cover letter, and it will definitely save your time in just like getting the cover letter like this. Uh, so guys, yeah, that's what I wanted to share in this video, guys. Hope it would be helpful for you guys. And guys, yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and share among your friends. I will just push this code on the GitHub, so you can just clone that repository and you can use if you want to. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.